Hey all, welcome to the 5th annual Cruz edition. Once again, we're heading back into Saskatchewan to the town I grew up in. This is where people bring out all their classic cars and stuff, and usually there's some really sweet machines out there. Weather's looking good this year. The last couple of years have been a little bit sketchy, so hopefully we'll have some good weather. Just got to hit the 500 kilometers to get down to Swift Current. Let's get going. Just stopping at my favorite 5-star Michelin restaurant. Have a little break here in Medicine Hat, and then we'll just keep blasting through the prairies till we get to Swift Current. About another 2 hours, so not too far now. Made it to Swift. Again with the crosswind just pounding away at me, but there's only so much you can do about that. But I'm here. I'm thirsty. It's time for a beer. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, that's good. So we're out in Pennant, just at the Cruz of 32. There's actually a really good turnout this year so far. We're just going to hang out, probably have some lunch, check out all the awesome machines out here, and then we're going to do a little tour up around Cabri and then back into Swift Current. Weather's looking good. There was a pretty bad storm, I guess, rolled through Cabri last night, bunch of hail and rain, but I don't think there's any huge damage, which is good. Great turnout this year. Not bad for a town of about 75 people. Obviously there's people from the surrounding area here as well. All right, back at the motel after another successful cruise day. Good turnout this year. Weather was great. Beautiful skies. No rain. It was awesome. Let's go find ourselves a beer. Made it home. For the first time in I don't know how many years, I was not racing thunderstorms to get home. Looks like there's a few things building up which might come in the next couple hours, but no photo finish this year, which is a real nice change. Good ride, great weather, good weekend. Thanks for coming along.